Traditional banks still make you wait 1 to 3 business days for transfers, charge overdraft fees, and often pay almost nothing on savings. A lot of fintech apps fixed those problems years ago. By the end of this, you'll know 6 fintech apps doing everyday banking faster, cheaper, and in some cases smarter than old-school banks. Here's the direct answer. If you mainly want faster access, better budgeting, or higher flexibility, these apps are worth looking at. First is Inzofin. Sophie combines checking, savings, investing, and loans in one app. That matters because you can manage more of your money without jumping between apps. The big advantage is speed. Direct deposits often arrive earlier than traditional payroll timing. Second is Chime built its whole model around fewer fees. No overdraft fees on SpotMe for eligible users, easy savings tools and early paycheck access. If your bank still charges maintenance fees, this is one of the easiest upgrades. Third is Revolut. This one stands out for international users. Currency exchange, spending analytics, virtual cards, and international transfers are all built in. If you travel or buy online from other countries, that's hard for normal banks to match. Now for apps doing more than just banking. Currenta is strong for budgeting and family accounts. It lets users separate spending into savings pods, track purchases instantly, and manage money in a cleaner way than most bank apps. Moneyline mixes banking with cash advances, credit building, and investing. That makes it useful if you want extra financial tools without opening separate accounts. Traditional banks usually split all that into different products. Then there's Varo. Varo keeps things simple. Fast transfers, no monthly fees, and automatic savings tools make it a strong option if you just want a cleaner replacement for basic banking. Here's where fintech wins. Faster deposits. Better app design. More spending alerts. Easier budgeting. And fewer hidden fees. But banks still win in one area: larger ATM networks and in-person branches. If you deposit cash often or need physical support, that still matters. Quick recap. Sophie is strongest for all-in-one finance. Chime is best for low fees. Revolut is better for travel. Current is cleaner for budgeting. Moneyline adds extra tools. Varo keeps it simple. The practical next step is easy. Compare your bank's monthly fees, transfer times, and savings tools against one of these apps. If this saved you time, like the video and subscribe for more fintech breakdowns.